up, gang? I'm back with another video, and today I got the Permatex vinyl and leather repair kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot and let you guys see how it turns out, and hopefully it turns out good so I don't have to buy a new seat or get it reupholstered. So let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, this is the cut that we're gonna try to patch up. Hopefully this kit works well, because I think it's like probably like $500–600 to reupholster the seat. I don't know, shit's expensive though, so I'm gonna try to get this cheap repair done. Alright, the instructions say to stuff this fabric in here. Alright, next it says to apply the adhesive. Alright, now that you glued the backing fabric, it says to let that dry for like an hour or so, and then you since I got black, I just use the black. Supposed to fill up this area with putty compound, make sure it's even. Going back in and we're wiping out the excess. Alright guys, this is the aftermath of it all. I mean, it's not perfect, but technically it fixed the cut and filled in the spot. So gotta let it cure overnight. So I say, I get it if you were gonna fix the leather, but I mean, it might be able to be done better, but this is my try, and I say get a new fucking seat. This shit looks like crap. But it did the job though, so I'll let you guys be the judge. Thanks for watching, guys.